Indonesia's Mount Gamalama erupted in dramatic fashion on Sunday, spewing ash into the atmosphere, covering the nearby city of Ternate.
At 2:15, an eruption happened. It was accompanied by a rumble from the top of the mountain, with the smoke rising, reaching 1,000 meters above the peak.
Driving conditions in Ternate have become dangerous due to the smog caused by the ash. Indonesian authorities have said there's no current need to evacuate anyone, but masks are being handed out to people in affected areas. People living where the ash is at its thickest have been advised to stay at home.